Feeling stiff, drained, like your body's lagging behind your mind? Let's unlock all of it in just 5 minutes. This isn't just about stretching, it's about showing up for your body before the world demands everything from you. By the end, you'll unlock strength, flexibility, and energy you don't even know we're missing. Let's hit the mat. Start standing tall, hands on hips, begin slow, wide circles, forward, side, back, and around. Then reverse directions halfway through. It might feel silly at first, but this move is a hidden weapon for lower back and hip relief. We sit so much and your pelvis gets frozen in place. This brings it back to life. I promise you'll feel lighter and more fluid just from this. Beginners, keep the circle small. Advanced stretches, try closing your eyes and tuning into the range of motion. Here's a surprising fact. This move not only warms the hips, it activates your deep core stabilizers. Bigger circle. Push a little harder. Push a little further. Hold for 5 more seconds. Do you feel that difference between sides? That's your imbalance speaking up. That just unlocked your hips. Now let's fire them up. Come to kneeling position. Set your glutes back down toward your heels. Then thrust your hips forward and squeeze your glutes at the top. Repeat with control. You're waking up muscles that have been sleeping through your 9 to 5. And we need them firing for full body stability. I promise this move supports everything from walking pain-free to better posture. Beginners, use your hands on your hips for balance. Advanced stretches, add a slight overhead reach at the top. Most people don't know. Tight hips and weak hips can cause the same pain. This is the fix. Give me 5 more slow, controlled reps. Feel that burn at the top? That's your body getting stronger right now. That just activated your core. Now let's open your spine. Drop into a deep squat, elbows inside your knees. From there, rotate and lift one up toward the sky. Then switch. This move does so much at once. Ankles, hips, spine, shoulders. It's like hitting reset on your entire system. I promise this one stretch will improve how you walk, breathe, and move today. Beginners, keep your squat shallow and focus on your rotation. Advanced stretches, hold the rotation for a few seconds at the top. This stretch improves your thoracic rotation, something most adults completely lose with age. Give me 1 more slow rep each side. Are your shoulders talking to you yet? That's a good sign. You're waking up movement you had. That just restored your rotation. Now let's unlock your upper body. Come to all fours, walk your hands forward, drop your chest toward the ground, and keep your hips over your knees. If you've been hunched over at a desk or sleeping curled up, this is a release your upper body's begging for. I promise this will help you breathe deeper and stand taller all day long. Beginners, place a pillow or block under your chest for support. Advanced stretches, try bringing your chin to the floor for a deeper shoulder engagement. Shoulder tightness is one of the top reasons we lose mobility with age. Stretching them daily changes everything. Breathe into it, sink 1 inch deeper. Do you feel that stretch under your arms? That's your posture realigning. That just opened your shoulders. Now we seal it all together. Stand tall, inhale, then slowly fold forward, letting your arms hang heavy. Soft bend in the knees, let gravity pull your spine long. This move gives you space where there's been compression. Pressure off your back, tension out of your hamstrings. I promise you'll walk away from this feeling 2 inches taller. Beginners, keep knees bent and sway gently side to side. Advanced stretches, straighten the legs and grab opposite elbows. This pose calms your nervous system, literally telling your body you're safe. Hang for 5 more seconds. Feel the pull in the back of your legs? That's flexibility being earned. You just gave your body 5 minutes of space, control, and breath. But tension doesn't just live in your muscles and joints, it lives in your mind. It shows up in your habits and it drains your energy, even when you sleep 8 hours. When you're burned out, stuck in survival mode, or striving without rest, you don't need a harder plan. You need a reset that nourishes your body, clears your mind, and centers your spirit. That's what the 3-day reset is built for. Daily stretch flows that reconnect you to your body. Scripture plus mindset shifts that clear the mental fog. A Bible-based nutrition guide that fuels energy without obsession. It's your full body rhythm reboot, rooted in truth, not trends. If you've been running on empty, this is how you come back stronger. Tap the link in the description or pin comment to start your free 3-day reset now. Because the goal isn't just progress, it's peace that lasts.